Hello class, I'm here today to talk to you about hard and soft water.
As you can see, there is no clear difference between hard and soft water other than their chemistry, which is completely different. Contrary to popular belief, hard water actually contributes to people's dietary needs of calcium and magnesium in their diets.
Hard water is usually used in sprinklers because it enhances the soil.
What a beautiful lawn.
One disadvantage of hard water is it leaves limescale deposits like these. Limescale needs to be removed before it builds up and ruins your appliances.
Hard water should not be used while washing clothes because it reduces the lifetime of clothes and leaves them very dingy.
Both of these shirts were bought at the same time. As you can see, this one has been washed with hard water. This one has not. The lifetime span of this shirt will be much longer than this one due to its water.
As you can see, hard water can leave a beautiful fountain looking old and worn out.
Using hard water in pipes like these will over time make a buildup of minerals restricting the water flow. You may need to replace these pipes after many years, but soft water should do the trick.
In soft water, calcium and magnesium are replaced with sodium.
This is done by a water softener.
Water softeners replace calcium and magnesium with sodium ions, which isolate magnesium and calcium ions, taking them away and leaving with just sodium. This is usually done at night when people aren't using their water. This is an example of what a hard water softener looks like with a salt tank and a hard water tank. One advantage of soft water is the taste, which is preferred by most people. Hard water, on the other hand, tastes very bad.
This is a test that you can do at home to see if you have hard water in your faucet or not. First, get a water bottle and fill it up at least halfway full. After that, add 6 to 8 drops of dish soap. After that, turn on the cap and shake well. If it becomes foam, this means, if it's plentiful, this means you have soft water. As you can see, I have soft water coming out of my faucet. If there were less bubbles and more soap scum, that would mean you have hard water. This is a lasting lather. Now this is an experiment for hard water. Do the same thing, add 6 to 8 drops. Put the cap on. See no lasting lather. Hard water. This is a test you can do for hard water. First, fill up a cup with tap water, which is hard water. Next, carefully place a dry paperclip on top of the surface of the water. Make sure to do this very carefully, else it will sink to the bottom. Once it has surface tension and is staying at the top of the water, add 1 drop of soap to the water.
Adding soap to the water makes the water less dense, making the more dense paperclip sink to the bottom. Here's a plate full of hard water.
The soap is softening the water, and the minerals are pushing the soap around.
You can see it's moving.
As you can see, it's slowly moving. The minerals do not move very fast, but slowly but surely they are moving.
Here is a map of the water hardness in the United States. As you can see, the Midwest has really hard water, including in Montana, where we live. On the East Coast and West Coast, you can see that the water is a lot softer, meaning that they don't usually need a water softener. This chart classifies different hardness of water, from soft, slightly hard, moderately hard, hard, and very hard, depending on the amount of calcium and magnesium in the water, either measured in milligrams per liter or grains per gallon, as you can see here.
There are many different types of water softeners. As you can see, there's chemical, mechanical, and magnetic water softeners. These can range from very high prices to lower prices depending on which model you get.
Usually water softeners are kept in the storage room of someone's house. Here you can see Tom's tucked away behind his fridge. They don't usually need high maintenance because they use large salt tablets to keep them going.
These are salt tablets. These salt tablets go inside the water softener. As you can see, they're large, meaning the water softener takes a while to break them down, so you don't have to recharge them very often.
Here are two water tubes leading to the water softener. As you can see, the left one is a hard water tube leading to the water softener, and once it has been treated, the right one brings the soft water to be used in Tom's house.
This is a shutoff valve to turn off the water softener in case for some reason you do not want soft water in your house, or for instance, if it's connected to outside hose, you would not want it for that. This is a gauge. This gauge tells you how much water pressure is in the water softener tank.
People generally use soft water in dishwashers because it prevents soap scum and lime scale like this.
One type of hard water refers to hardness whose effects can be removed by boiling the water in an open container. Such water has usually pre-collated through limestone formations and contains bicarbonate along with small amounts of carbonate as the principal negative ions. Boiling water promotes the reaction by driving off carbon dioxide gas. Waters that contain other anions, such as chlorine or sulfate, cannot be remediated by boiling and are said to be permanently hard.
Tom's hot tub would be a perfect example of permanently hard water.
If you come out of the shower and you feel your hair is tingly or hard, you can try using conditioner. Conditioner will dissolve the carbonate deposits left by the hard water in your water. In conclusion, to wrap things up,
Hey Tom, what are the benefits of hard water?
benefits of hard water are hard water is usually less expensive. Hard water helps with dietary needs with your calcium and magnesium intake, and it's also better for agriculture, like growing plants and stuff.
Wow, that's amazing.
So Al, what are the benefits of soft water?
Well Tom, soft water is usually used to wash clothes, for washing your dishes, and for better hair. It also prevents lime scale buildup in all your appliances.
How do you find soft water? And what's the difference between soft water and hard water?
Well, soft water is generally just water without the magnesium and calcium deposits. You can make soft water or remove these magnesium calcium deposits by using a water softener or by distilling the water. Hey Tom, do you like hard water or soft water better?
Obviously I love soft water. No calcium, no magnesium.
Great taste.